Stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire and a manual wrench that barely budges your lug nuts? Or maybe you're just tired of wrestling with stubborn bolts in your garage. The right impact wrench changes everything. Today I'm breaking down the 5 best impact wrenches that'll make tire changes feel effortless, whether you're a weekend warrior or tackling heavy-duty truck tires. I've done the research, read through hundreds of reviews, and I'm giving you the honest truth about what actually works. Let's dive in. Number 1. Robustrue Cordless Impact Wrench. Let's kick things off with the absolute beast of this lineup, the Robustrue 1400 Newton-meter Cordless Impact Wrench. This thing is an absolute monster, delivering 1,032 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. To put that in perspective, that's enough power to handle rusted lug nuts on heavy-duty trucks, RVs, and even farm equipment without breaking a sweat. What really sets the Robustrue apart is its upgraded brushless motor running at 2,400 RPM. Real-world testing shows this wrench removes corroded lug nuts in seconds, the kind that would have you struggling for minutes with lesser tools. The dual 4.0 amp-hour battery system is tested for over 1,000 charging cycles, meaning you can change multiple sets of tires without reaching for the charger. Here's something I really appreciate, the smart safety features. It has 3 modes, including a reverse mode with auto stop that prevents nuts from flying across your garage. Trust me, you'll thank me for that feature when you're working late at night. Now here's the thing you should consider. With all that power comes a bit more weight compared to lighter models. But honestly, when you're dealing with seized lug nuts on a lifted F250, you'll gladly trade a few extra ounces for that crushing torque. The ergonomic soft grip handle balances it out nicely, so fatigue isn't really an issue even during extended use. Check the link in the description box to grab this powerhouse for your garage. Coming in at number 2 is the Uaoaii 1200 Newton-meter impact wrench. With 900 foot-pounds of torque and a 3-speed brushless motor system, this wrench has earned rave reviews from customers who've used it on everything from vintage RVs with 50-year-old rusted nuts to everyday tire rotations. What makes the Uaoaii special is its efficiency. The brushless motor is 40% more efficient than comparable models, running at 2,600 RPM. Now you might think, wait, some competitors run at 3,500 RPM. Isn't that better? Not quite. Uaoaii uses a high-torsion, low-speed drive that actually releases more torque than those higher RPM motors. It's all about how the power is delivered. You're getting 2 21-volt 4.0 amp-hour batteries that provide double the runtime and 150% extended battery lifespan. The kit includes 4 impact sockets, 17, 19, 21, and 24 millimeters, plus a 4.88-inch extension bar. Everything you need to start wrenching right out of the box. Here's a cool bonus. This wrench is compatible with Makita batteries. If you already own Makita tools, you've got instant backup power. The built-in LED work light is perfect for those late-night tire emergencies. And at just 3.9 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight. Great if you have arthritis or just want to reduce arm fatigue. The potential downside? The carrying case isn't the most rugged on the market. Some users recommend upgrading to a heavier duty case if you're transporting it in a work truck daily. But for the 3-year warranty and the performance you're getting, that's a minor quibble. Links in the description. Definitely worth checking out. At number 3, we've got the Avrhit 1300 Newton-meter cordless impact wrench. We're talking 1,300 Newton meters. That's 960 foot-pounds for anyone counting. This is the kind of power that laughs at rusted lug nuts. The brushless motor runs 60% longer than traditional motors, and it's noticeably quieter. You get 2 4.0 amp-hour batteries in the box, which is massive because you're never waiting around for a charge. Each battery has 10 cells compared to the typical 5-cell packs, so you're getting over 70% more runtime. Here's something I really appreciate, the 2-way brake stop feature. When you're loosening a bolt in reverse, once it breaks free, the tool automatically reduces speed and torque. No more nuts flying into the darkness of your garage. The 3 speed settings let you dial it down for delicate work or crank it up when you're dealing with something seriously stubborn. The kit comes with 5 sockets, an extension bar, and a solid storage case. Everything fits perfectly, and you can grab it and go. The LED work light is bright enough to actually see what you're doing in tight spaces. Now, the one thing to consider, while the grip is comfortable and rubberized, the overall build feels slightly lighter than premium brands like Milwaukee. It's not flimsy by any means, but if you're planning to use this 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, you might want something built like a tank. For DIYers and even serious home mechanics, though, this is an absolute steal for the power and features you're getting. Number 4 is the Seesii WH710 Impact Wrench. This is specifically designed for lifted trucks, commercial vehicles, and those nightmare scenarios where you're dealing with severe rust and corrosion. The Seesii delivers 579 foot-pounds of tightening torque and 665 foot-pounds of loosening power, running at 3,300 impacts per minute and 2,400 RPM. The high-efficiency brushless motor provides 53.5% extended running time compared to traditional brushed motors, so you can work longer between charges. What's impressive is the build quality. The tungsten steel anvil has 60% stronger impact resistance than standard anvils, and the military-grade housing is built to withstand job site abuse. You're getting two 21-volt 4.0 amp-hour batteries with 30-minute rapid charging, perfect for professional environments where downtime costs money. The kit is comprehensive. 6 impact sockets covering 14, 17, 18, 19, 21, and 22 millimeter sizes, a fast charger, and a storage case to keep everything organized. The 3 speed modes give you versatility for different fastening applications. Here's what you should know. While this wrench excels at removing stubborn fasteners, some users note it's a bit louder than premium brands during operation. If you're working in a residential area late at night, your neighbors might notice. But when you're battling rust on a commercial fleet vehicle, you probably won't care about a few extra decibels. Link in the description, solid choice for heavy-duty applications. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the CRAFTSMAN V20 RP High Torque Impact Wrench. CRAFTSMAN recently joined the 1,000 foot-pound club with this model, offering 700 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 1,000 foot-pounds of breakaway torque at a price point that won't make your wallet cry. The 3-speed gearbox gives you precise control with low, medium, and high speeds, producing 450, 1,200, and 2,000 RPM respectively. The brushless motor ensures better runtime and efficiency compared to older brush designs. At just 7.3 pounds with the 4.0 amp-hour battery installed, it's lightweight enough for extended use without fatigue. Here's a smart design choice. Instead of electronic buttons, CRAFTSMAN uses a manual 3-position slide switch. Buttons can fail over time, especially in dusty or wet environments. A mechanical slide switch? That thing's gonna last. The kit includes the battery and charger, so you're ready to work right out of the box. CRAFTSMAN backs this with a 3-year limited warranty, showing they stand behind the quality. At around $229, this is currently the best value for a high-torque model in this performance class. The trade-off is brand perception. While CRAFTSMAN has seriously upped their game in recent years, some professionals still gravitate toward Milwaukee or Makita for the name recognition. But if you're judging purely on performance per dollar, the V20 RP absolutely delivers. Weekend warriors and DIY enthusiasts will find this hits the sweet spot between power and affordability. Grab the link in the description to check current pricing. Every wrench on this list will transform your tire-changing experience. Links to all 5 are in the description box below with current prices and customer reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.